Previously on Ninth Island Connection. Area 15, the world's first purpose-built experimental art and entertainment complex, is now open in Vegas. Located just minutes from the Strip, Area 15 houses 40,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor event space. On our most recent trip to Vegas, we stopped by Area 15 and were blown away by both the indoor and outdoor art displays. When we arrived, we were greeted by Art Island, the first ever permanent gallery for large-scale artwork. We were mesmerized by the extreme sculptures that's sure to be an Instagram hotspot. Once inside, we were in awe of this unique venue. While it is dimly lit to enhance all of the colorful art displays, we were blown away by extreme sculptures like Valerian steel, Henry Chang's kinetic car that's part Mad Max and part Mars rover. Of course, we had to grab a drink at Oddwood under the glow of their color-changing digital forest that boasts a 25-foot tall digital maple tree. Now, Area 15 is not just for art lovers. For those of you who enjoy unique interactive experiences, you will definitely want to try Birdly Virtual Reality, where you can soar through a virtual bird's eye view of breathtaking landscapes. There's also Halley's Comet. This is the first indoor electric dual-track suspension ride in the country. It provides thrill seekers with an exhilarating and unique experience. There are so many exciting experiences at Area 15 and more on the way. Whether you're visiting the Ninth Island or you're a Vegas local, Area 15 has something for everyone. Bye.